Yo, yo, yo. Aloha Friday. We're here, construction debris in one of the beautiful high rises of Waikiki. If you're in a pickle and you need your stuff moved, we got the guys, we got the stuff. We're on the 3rd floor here, but we go all the way to the top, baby. Always moving up. We got the bins. We'll make a hard job look easy. Call the boys at Aloha Junkman. You know the number, 808-940-0809. Making junk removal great again. Let's go.
This is what it sounds like when the junk cries.